Hello everybody, welcome to the railway. Just a little video today on a bit more track cleaning. Basically, as the layout's evolved in the shed, it's getting more and more difficult for me basically to get over to that side of the layout to clean the track properly with a track rubber. And granted, I only do that probably every 5-6 months, something like that. I'll give it a clean, a decent clean. The little car that I made, the little truck with me piece of perspex underneath and a little bit of cloth with some goo gone on, as you can see, the muck it picks up is brilliant, and that does keep a quick run round once every couple of weeks with that. I've put some of those weights inside and stuck them down, so once every couple of weeks I run around with that, takes the majority of the dust, dirt, debris and anything else that can build up on the track off. But like I say, getting round to these areas with a track rubber was becoming more and more awkward basically. So the thinking cap came on and basically purchased one of these, and this is a Hornby track cleaning car, little coach, and underneath it's got two spring loaded pads, and each one of those carries some very fine, looks to me like wet and dry, something like 1000 grit or something like that, and this would go around the track quite merrily, take all the nastiness off, and then I would go around with my goo gone car and that would basically sort it out. However, the little strips wear very quickly, and for a pack of 6 is about £3. And I'm not being funny, this layout is not massive. This is only 12 foot by, it's 12 foot that way and then 8 foot that way. So, and it's like a big letter P, and that, one good clean of all the track would probably, wear out these. Anyway, so I put my thinking cap on and I've come up with this. So that is basically a Peco track rubber that I've cut down and made like a fat letter T. And we've taken these, like I say, that is exactly the same as that, apart from the different lettering on the side, but the little truck is the same. And these you can purchase from anywhere. Hattons are selling these, I think, £6 each. So what I've done is I've taken one of these little cars. Here it is in a different guise. And the first thing that I've done is I've stuck in 60 grams of extra weight. So I've used the car balancing wheels weights. I've stick those together like that and then stuck them in the bottom of the truck. Then I've put on a bit of real coal just to make it look a little bit better. And then underneath, what I've done is there's a couple of little, turn this one over, you can see what I've done then. What I've done is I've shaved off these little bits. There was a couple of little bits that were sticking up here. There and there. And I've shaved those off with a scalpel so it's lovely and smooth now. And now the little Peco track rubber fits in there. Now it does move around. I've not made it too big so there's too much friction, but by its own weight it just gets dragged around the track. Now it's not going to get caught up into the wheels, excuse me, I'm just getting stuck on that level crossing, because it can't move any further back. The wheels are free spinning because of these portions here. If you'll focus in, you'll see like a couple of little bit of, it won't go all the way back. So what I've got lined up is, grab this, a Helgen Class 26, and I don't know how to edit videos, so I've got to do them all in one take, which can sometimes be fun. Anyway, there's very little resistance, So hooked up, and then underneath you can see the Peco track rubber, and you can see it's not interfering. Let me try and focus in a bit better. Not interfering with the wheels. So there we go, that's all lined up. We'll set it off going, and there it goes, dragging the little track cleaning Peco truck round. I don't know what you want to call it. Now, the reason I'm using a class 26 Helgian loco, they weigh a phenomenal amount of weight compared to others. All axles are driven, all axle pickup. So, and so it'll pull that, excuse me, no problems at all. And what I found was, depending on how dirty your track is, but 5 laps or so with that running around at a nice, even, steady speed will clean your track, no problems at all. And then I go around with this one with some goo gun on, and that lifts any of the extra debris up. So all in all, brilliant. So I'm just going to change these points again. I do know I need to get these wired up. I've got all the kit to do it with. It's just work and getting time off. So you'll see it'll transverse points, no problems at all. Now on the inner circuit, and it'll go around absolutely fine, no problems whatsoever. And there it is over there. I'll just set it up to go around a reversing loop, just to show you it cleaning the reversing loop. So it was just a little idea, that was all, of if you've got somewhere hard to reach and you can't really clean it properly, probably in a tunnel or something like that where you can't remove any scenery to clean it, maybe this will help out. You know, it's worked a treat for me. And there it goes, going the opposite way now. We'll fire that set of points over there. There it is on the second reverse loop. And around it goes. I hope that helps. Any questions, please ask. Like I say, these are just my ideas. I don't, it certainly helped me out in any case, and it's cost next to nothing to adapt a little wagon into cleaning your track. Anyway, I hope you all have a good weekend, or what's left of it, and I'll all speak to you again soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.